Avery shocked Doja Cat nearly missed her win for Best Pop Duo Performance during Sunday night's Grammy Awards ceremony in Las Vegas due to an ill-timed bathroom break. Despite being on crutches, Doja's Kiss Me More collaborator SZA was able to make it to the stage before the 26-year-old singer to accept the honor. Just moments later Doja scurried onto the stage and admitted to the crowd that "Shush has never taken such a fast PSS in my whole life." The swear word made it past CBS censors during the live broadcast. The songstress, who was attempting to catch her breath, thanked the crowd before taking a second to readjust her semi-sheer gown as to avoid a potential wardrobe malfunction. "I really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone, my family, my team. I wouldn't be here without you and I wouldn't be here without my fans," she said into the mic, before turning to address SZA. "SZA, you are everything to me. You are incredible. You are the epitome of talent. You're a lyricist. You're everything," she gushed. Taking over the mic, SZA graciously thanked Doja, her mother, God, and all of the fans who've supported her through the years. "I'm glad you made it back in time," she told Doja, who went in for a hug. The duo earned a standing ovation from fellow singer Olivia Rodrigo, as well as an extended applause from the star-studded arena. Clearly overcome with emotion, Doja got teary-eyed while admitting that this Grammy win is a big deal to her and that Shush has often downplayed her successes in the past. This admission and the gravity of the moment quickly caused the Planet Her songstress to burst into tears. Her emotion was felt throughout the room, with the camera narrowing in on a teary-eyed Lady Gaga, who was also applauding Doja and SZA. Dose, fanning her tear-stained face, attempted to gather herself so she could finish her acceptance speech. "Damn," she said with a smile. "Thank you, everybody. Be safe, take care." The dynamic duo's hit Kiss Me More earned them their Best Pop Duo Performance award. They beat out the likes Tony Bennett and Lady Gaga's I Get a Kick Out of You and Coldplay's Higher Power. Other nominees included Justin Bieber, Benny Blanco for their song Lonely and beloved K-pop group BTS hit single Butter. Sunday night's Grammy Awards ceremony was held at the MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas and hosted by comedian Trevor Noah. The event was televised and streamed live. Music's biggest night recognizes the best recordings, compositions, and artists of the eligibility year, which runs from September 1, 2020, to September 30, 2021. The Recording Academy eliminated nominations review committees this year, meaning winners will now be determined by a majority vote from Recording Academy voting members. There are famously a long list of categories, 88 to be exact. The Grammys were initially set to take place on Jan. 31 in Los Angeles, but got pushed due to the rapid spread of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. Given the uncertainty surrounding the Omicron variant, holding the show on January 31 simply contains too many risks, CBS and the Recording Academy said. Harvey Mason Jr., CEO of the Recording Academy, confirmed later in January that it would be moving to Las Vegas. We are excited to take the Grammys to Las Vegas for the very first time, and to put on a world-class show, he said. From the moment we announced the postponement of the original show date, we have been inundated with heartfelt messages of support and solidarity from the artist community. We are humbled by their generosity and grateful for their unwavering commitment to the Grammy Awards and the Academy's mission.